Hello everyone, and this is how to make a treasure game in Scratch. So, first, make a new sprite. I'll call it treasure or whatever you want. I'll call it egg. Because my game is about finding the dino. Next, I'll draw my dino. It'll take a little while, so I have to so I'll start drawing. And there. I'm just finished my Yoshi egg. Or my dino egg. I rename costume 1 to egg 2. Now we'll go on the stage. Let's make a variable for how much time you have, because there's time now. So on green flag select, set time to like 20, no not 20, 10 seconds. And forever, change time by -1, show time. But if we do that, our score goes down too quickly. So let's add a wait 1 second. Yeah, much slower. Then replace the forever loop with repeat until um time equals 0. When that happens, it'll stop all. So you can see right here, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. There. Next, let's go in the egg, or the treasure sprite you have, and then on green flag clicked. No, actually not green flag clicked. When the sprite is clicked, then stop all, and before you do that stop all, like say something like you won, or you got a dino egg. Whatever you write, I'd be very happy to see it. Next, next, go and make a new sprite. Okay, I won't just search a sprite. I'll spell tree. Choose this one. And I want the bush instead. So I'll delete the trunk. There. I make a bunch of them. And I'll hide the Yoshi egg in one of them. Of course I also add a tree. Then, since I have all of those sprites, one green flag clicked, set to draggable. I'll get to all of the sprites. Then I'll drag them. Now let's set their positions to be what they're supposed to be. So just drag it from it. Then go on the Yoshi egg. Penguin flag clicked. Also, go to the position where it was. Don't forget to make it go to the back layer. Then we'll have to play runs out of time before he finds it. Then we'll give him a clock, which is just basically like it just gives you more time. Oops. Plus 5 seconds. Then I'll just add outline. And there. I'll hide it behind the tree. And green flag clicked. Go to that position. And go to the back layer. And then, when this sprite is clicked, change time by 5. Let's play. So, I don't know where it is. But I'm running out of time. Give me 5 more seconds. Phew. There's a dino egg. Got a dino egg. Hooray! I won. So, there's something wrong. If you haven't guessed already. The 5-second timer doesn't go away. That means you can click it as much as you want to get an infinite amount of time, which I'll show you right now. Which is cheating. So, we'll want it to hide when we click on it, and show when the green flag clicks again. So we drag away, then click. Gone. Don't know where it is. Don't know where it is. There's a dino egg. And we found it. Ta-da! Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.